Look at that plane.
Wow.
Where's the Electra now?
Right there. It's just starting to touch down.
Oh, okay.
It did one pass.
Oh, there he
Got
is.
it?
Yeah.
Got it?
They did a low approach right there.
Yeah, I saw that. And I oh my God. This is the last time it's flying. Today. That's it. It goes in the museum.
There was a beautiful Electra down at Nino last week.
Well, that's it.
Is that it?
That's the one, yeah. Because the museum raised the money to bring it here. 1.2 mil.
Yeah, I was
Yeah. This is the last flight. Right
And that 787's about to go.
Alright, well, we're gonna have to...
No, I have to see this. You have to see this. It has the best noise.
Let's get in touch with
Yeah, I would love to.
your son is way ahead of me. It's really... I want to come over and see
What
the
are you looking
simulator,
at?
see what he's
Yes.
doing.
787 about to
Me,
take off.
I mean, you know...
Oh, yeah, you can
kids
see
are
his
so
beacon.
way ahead on technology. Well,
That's exciting.
Yeah, I've only seen one take off.
Did you get a good picture?
I got a video. Yeah, it's a really good plane.
well, it's possible.
So, yeah, I will plan to... We'll have you over if we can aim for that. There's a couple weeks until you're going to Nepal, right? So
Yeah, probably around the 12th.
I'll just check in and we'll see whether there's a time that works for you.
Oh, here it goes, I believe. Oh, no. Yeah, I probably could fly a simulator better than you. Because it's like a joystick on the right hand.
There it goes.
Hear that sound? Isn't that amazing? Isn't that like...
Well, we'll see. I'll consider that a challenge.
Okay, you've been challenged.
That's an amazing flight.
So,
You see how quiet it is, Dad? It's like... The 787?
It's way reduced thrust, but...
so yeah, the